Welcome to Minutes to Learn. We will learn how to make certificate. Open Play Store, search for slides, install it. Open the Slides app. Click on plus button. This is the basic screen. Change the theme by clicking on three dots. Select the theme you want. You have many options. You can select from here or you can use your custom one. Now we will be adding our elements like college name, we will add certificate of appreciation or whatever words you want. Normally certificate or certificate of appreciation, something, these kind of words are normally written. Adding text box. We have to add our main lines like this is to certify that Mr. So and so of so and so college have cleared so and so thing or participated in so and so thing. So we can add these lines. You will wonder why these brackets are given or what is the role of these brackets. The answer is these brackets will be filled by certify'em tool, or if you are not using that tool, any other tool can fill it. Then you have to follow their coding practices. So normally these are the elements which are different for different people, so we have to add it from their respective forms. If you can see these merge tags, we have used these in our certificate. So we are adding the codes into the bracket. What these codes will do, it will take the information from the Google form submitted online and paste it at the respective code. For example, name at the name, identifier 1 will be say college. It depends upon your requirement. So it will automatically collect from the form and paste into the certificate and generate a certificate. Date is for Indian format date 2. To get the distinct certificate ID for each participant, we can use this kind of a merge tag in certify'em. Now we will be adding the signatories to the certificate. It may be a organizer, convener, along with principal, vice principal, trustee, manager. It depends upon your org structure. Adding our college logo. adding signatures to the certificate. To see how to make the signatures, you can check our video on making signature in a white background or in a black background or any color background, how to make it. Just making little alignment so that the view should be perfect. Adding the second signature. Making the alignment. Just give a name to identify the certificate. So when you are in certify'em plugin, you just need to remember this name and you have to select this certificate for the quiz you want. Make sure that this certificate is saved to the Google account from which you have created the quiz. It is saved to your drive. You can also share this certificate with others. By default, it is saved in your drive. Thanks for watching.